in cone pots, tall pots, because the root systems really like tree root systems. They love being in tall pots. So if at any chance you can grow in tall pots, get your 6-inch tall pots from us. You can even order from us on our website, newmannursery.com. If you need tall pots, we have tall pots. You can see we're just gonna go ahead and put it in here. We're gonna maybe compact it just a little bit. And then we have some of our seeds out right here. Got a handful of moringa seeds. Oh yes. You know what else we like to do? We like to pop these babies. Got a little bit of dirt on there. It's all right. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Oh yeah. Got it. My mom used to hate me for doing that at the dinner table. That's how I used to eat. Eat those moringa seeds. Ooh, they're bitter at first. Super bitter. But the moringa seeds are completely edible. And the thing is, as soon as you drink some water, it turns sweet. So then we just put the seed right up top here. This is the moringa seed right here. We're just putting it right up top there, pretty much right at the surface. We don't need to sink it all the way down in. We want it to stay moist, but also easily penetrate the surface, because if it goes down there and it stays too wet, it could mold and form bacteria. So we keep it at the surface that way. When we water once or twice a day, it gets wet, but it also has the opportunity to dry out a little bit. And so then we just kind of put a little bit on top, kind of maybe compact it just a little bit. And that's it, baby. We do that thousands and thousands. We've got